This road's unbelievable. It's just getting higher and higher and stuff coming out in the road. They're finally starting to get it. They really need to start getting these main roads like this instead of, the side roads. It's just crazy. This is the first time they've been on this road to get work on this. They need to focus on the main roads with the most traffic. Oh shit. It's just crazy. It's really sad. I mean, it's gonna take a while. I know it's gonna take a while. It's so sad. It really is. Look at this. Look at that. And they're having to redo all of these. The sidings, the roof, everything. I'm glad they're at least picking up. This is the corner now of Harrison and Baldwin. So it's just devastating. Hard for me to use my hand. This is the reality of Panama City, Florida. But we're 850 strong, and we will come back. I believe that. It's just hard looking at, though, this guy working hard. Imagine all the people. Watch that load. Bam. Lord, please don't let it hit the car. Them things are heavy. I don't trust any machinery. Anything can go wrong. Ah, here he comes. Bye. These guys working here.
Like John Lennon's son, Sean.
It's incredible, I think, the bravery to sort of let down everything and be
Look, the sunset.
Sean
Have
O'Nolan is
fun.
back with host David
Finally
Free to
today.
share favourite
Thank
solo
the
tracks
Lord.
from his father and the rest of the Beatles.
I thought it'd be more interesting to play songs from the solo albums, the ones that I really love.
Sean O'Nolan selects the music.
Tomorrow.